So apparently, I was single in my this life because I had way too many lovers in my past life. Yup, a psychic actually said that to my face. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Sonali. Hope you all are doing well and are also in good health and wealth. The title of this video, I know it's insane, and तुम लोग बोलते होंगे यार क्या यार सोनाली कितनी डेलुलु है. I mean ऐसा होता है क्या guys? ऐसा होता है okay? And I know some of you guys are like in the comments telling oh my god सब लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स इसके साथ ही होते हैं, इसके पास ही सारे स्टोरीज है. भाई है मेरे पास स्टोरीज, मैं क्या करूं, मुझे मन में नहीं रखना, मुझे शेयर करना है. ऑलवेज बीन एन ओवर शेयर, सो व्हाई नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट, राइट? एंड द थिंग इज सम ऑफ यू गाइस आर लाइक अरे क्या तू मेकअप कर रही है स्टोरीज. गाइस इतना कौन मेकअप करता है स्टोरीज? मेरे को खुद का इज्जत का फालूदा करने का शौक नहीं है इंटरनेट पे, बट मैं फिर भी कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वांट टू गेट इट आउट ऑफ माय चेस्ट. एंड व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट दी स्टोरीज, मुझे कोई ना कोई बोलता है कि भाई मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, तब मुझे लगता है यार मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ जिसकी वाट लगी पड़ी है, इतने लोगों की वाट लगी पड़ी है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई शेयर माय स्टोरीज. एंड द थिंग इज आई एम 27 नाउ. I was wild in my teenage and my 20s. Okay, now I'm this retired, socially awkward, socially anxious person, and there is a reason why I'm socially anxious now, because of all the problematic things I've done in my past. And that's why sometimes my mom doesn't trust me, because she's like, मेरी बेटी the minute she steps out of the house कुछ ना कुछ कांड करते हैं. I mean I am the definition of कर्म नहीं कांड करो. मतलब अभी कैसा ना मेरा लाइफ, जिम करती हूँ, काम करती हूँ, फ्रेंड्स को मिलने जाती हूँ, दैट्स इट. बट पहले ऐसा नहीं था. पहले इतना ज्यादा मैं बाहर जाती थी कि कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता था. ओके, so this is one of those stories that has happened like 2.5 years ago. Okay, and 2.5 years ago I was single. Does that mean I'm not single now? Maybe that's a story for some other time. Okay, now let's get back to this. So 2.5 years ago, I think 3 years ago, जब ज्यादा लोग हम ज्यादा घर पे रहते थे and you know दिमाग का पूरा दही वड़ा होता था and you know used to overthink a lot. Okay, तो I was just thinking तभी कि यार मैं सिंगल क्यों हूँ. ओके, एंड द थिंग इज आई हैड टू रिलेशनशिप्स, टू प्रॉब्लमेटिक रिलेशनशिप्स. एक मैंने ऑलरेडी उस पर एक बहुत बड़ा डिटेल्ड वीडियो बनाया यूट्यूब में अबाउट माई एक्स चीटिंग ऑन मी एंड द ट्रॉमाज एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई हैड टू रिलेशनशिप्स. ओके, द अदर वन आई मे टॉक अबाउट इट लेटर. उसके बाद मैंने डेट ही नहीं किया किसी को, एंड मैं ऐसी ओवर थिंक कर रही थी रात के 2 बजे. आई सो ऑलवेज बी लाइक यार मैं क्यों हूँ सिंगल, लाइक व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, व्हाई डू आई ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट द बैड वंस, द इमोशनली अनअवेलेबल वंस, द टॉक्सिक वंस एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड ऐसे ही मैं सोच रही थी, मैं इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल कर रही थी और समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड तुम लोगों को पता है ये सब एस्ट्रोलॉजी का, ऑल दी साइकिक टैरेट रीडिंग्स का बहुत सारा एड्स तभी आता था, बिकॉज उनको भी पता था कि लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, लोग वेले है और समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड मैं भी वेली थी, तो ऑलरेडी मेरे को ये चीज बहुत खा रहा था कि मैं सिंगल हूँ एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड मुझे एक एड आया. अब जब मैंने वो एड देखा, मैंने सोचा fuck it, you know, like just scroll, like क्यों देखना है देखो, ठीक है. एंड एक सेन इंसान तो वही करता, स्क्रॉल करता. बट फॉर सम रीजन बाय देन मैं इतनी वेली थी कि मैंने ऑलरेडी वो रूम्स में सेज वेज लगा के बर्निंग करके मेडिटेशन सब करता है, मैंने वो सब कर लिया था. एंड आई थॉट यू नो व्हाट, लेट मी ट्राई दिस, बिकॉज आई हर्ड सो मेनी पीपल सेइंग दैट यू नो व्हाट, मैंने साइकिक रीडिंग किया एंड इट वाज सो एक्यूरेट, ओ माय गॉड माय लाइफ हैज चेंज्ड एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड मेरे को जेन्युइनली जानना था कि मेरे को लाइफ में चूतिए लोग क्यों मिल रहे थे, लाइक व्हाई वाज आई अट्रैक्टिंग ओनली इमोशनली अनअवेलेबल men back then. Okay, like it was only 2, but I still felt like why am I repeating the pattern, and now I'm single, like what's happening, will I ever meet the love of my life and all that stuff. So I was like you know what, any वो ad मेरे सामने जाता है, I thought you know maybe there is a reason कि रात के मेरे को 3 बजे ad दिखा or something like that. तो I was like you know what, let me book a session and see. and तभी तो ऑनलाइन सेशन से अवेलेबल था, तो I booked it. सॉरी मैं बार-बार मेरे बाल पे हाथ लगा रही हूँ, मैंने अभी जस्ट बाल धोया and it's looking like Simba from Lion King as I always say. So सॉरी, आई नो इट इज वेरी इरिटेटिंग, बट या तो मैंने वो सेशन बुक किया, ठीक है. मेरी माँ को अगर पता चलता कि मैंने वो किया है, वो चप्पल फेंक के मुझे मारती. बट एनीवे आई डिड दैट बिकॉज नोबडी न्यू व्हाट आई वाज अप टू. ओके, तो फिर मैंने सेशन बुक किया द नेक्स्ट डे, एंड लकीली द नेक्स्ट डे माय पेरेंट्स वर नॉट एट होम. तो आई वाज लाइक दिस इज द परफेक्ट टाइम. वरना अगर मैं इधर बैठ के लैपटॉप में ऑनलाइन सेशन करती तो मेरे पेरेंट्स 10 बार अंदर आते हैं, दे वुड हैव बीन लाइक क्या करिए, बिकॉज इन एशियन हाउस होल्ड देयर इज नो प्राइवेसी, यू नो. तो आई बुक्ड द सेशन एंड लेट्स कॉल दैट लेडी, शुड आई कॉल हर राधेमा, विल आई गेट इनटू ट्रबल फॉर कॉलिंग हर राधेमा? नो, राइट, लेट मी कॉल हर राधेमा. ओके, so I booked this session and I was actually very scared. Okay, I was like fuck, what am I doing, because मुझे नहीं पता ना कितना ट्रस्ट हुआ दिया. व्हाट इफ ये कोई स्कैमर निकला, उसने मेरा लैपटॉप हैक कर लिया, मेरा इंटरनेट जो भी है वो सब हैक करके व्हाट इफ मेरा सारे पैसे चले गए, जबकि मैं चवन्नी भी नहीं कमा रही थी. बट स्टिल आई वाज रियली स्कैर्ड, बट आई वाज स्टिल लाइक यू नो जस्ट गो फॉर इट, बिकॉज बैक देन दिमाग नहीं था, दिमाग घुटने में था. एंड आई वाज लाइक लेट मी ट्राई इट. ओके, तो मैंने ऑब्वियसली कनेक्ट किया विद दिस लेडी, एंड जब उसने उसका कैमरा ऑन किया, ओके, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द विजुअल. 10 out of 10 for aesthetics. Okay, ऐसा सेज बर्न हो रहा था, क्रिस्टल्स एंड ऑल था. शी वाज वेयरिंग आई थिंक दिस, आई वोंट से किमोरो बट आई थिंक दिस kaftan sort of a thing, and she had like you know she was really pretty, and she had this tilak, and she had these big ass earrings and everything. So I was like, ooh, like you know, psychic vibe and everything. And then she was like, welcome to our first psychic reading, how are you and everything. So was a basic introduction hua. Then she asked me my birth timing, where was I born, and I think my birth date, okay, my name and everything. तो उसने मेरा नेम से कुछ तो न्यूमरोलॉजी कुछ तो किया, आई डोंट नो व्हाट, सो प्लीज जस्ट फॉरगिव मी. मैं ज्यादा डिटेल्स मेरे को मतलब मेरे को समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था वो क्या कर रही थी. ठीक है, तो मेरा नाम वाम पूछ लिया, सब कुछ पूछ लिया, एंड शी जस्ट डिड द कैलकुलेशन. कुछ तो शी वाज राइटिंग, ओके, एंड देन शी वाज लाइक ओके फाइन, एंड उसके हाथ में ना एक ऐसा पेंडुलम और आई थिंक अ चेन, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट वाज, बट समथिंग दैट शी वाज डूइंग, शी जस्ट डिड लाइक दैट और समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड देन शी क्लोज्ड आईज, ओके, आंख बंद करके शी इज लाइक, यू आर एन ओल्ड सोल विद टू मेनी पास्ट लाइव्स. Okay, then again she was like, I can see pain, I can see betrayal, I can see snakes. Why are you seeing snakes? Like what's happening? Okay, but still I was calm because it was such an intense session, and मैं भी घर पे अकेली थी, तो ना ऐसा dim lights, मैंने अभी लाइट है ना, बट तभी मैंने लाइट नहीं रखा था, तो मैं भी ऐसे बैठ के देख रही थी. मतलब ओह ओके, I was very, it was giving me the creeps also. Okay, and then she's like, in one of your past life you were a seductress, you were sexually manipulative, and that's why you're single. Sexually manipulative क्या होता है? Okay, and I didn't understand what she, I thought she's trying to tell कि I was sexually manipulated by people, okay, and I was like, sexually manipulated? She's like, shh. I was like, oh sorry. Again she was like, you sexually manipulated men, you used your beauty to seduce men, and that's why you are in pain right now, and that's why you're attracting emotionally unavailable men. You were that kind of a man in the past. So are you telling me I was toxic before the word toxic was even invented? So I just looked at her, I was like I'm not understanding, can you elaborate? Then she looked at me like that, and she was like, Sonali, you were seductress in the past, you had too many lovers. ठीक है, यहाँ तक भी ठीक है. I was like, ooh, kudos, like too many lovers, wow, achievement, because इधर तो हमको ढंग का लवर मिल रहा भी नहीं है. And then she looked at me and she was like, you were a courtesan. I was like, courtesan, like I hope I'm pronouncing it right, like Courtesan. Courtesan ही होता ना, तो she was like, you were a courtesan, and I understood what she meant. I was like, courtesan, and then she looked at me and she was like, वैश्या, whore. बहन मेरे को समझा कोटेशन क्या होता है, क्यों ऐसा कैमरा के सामने आके बोलना था वैश्या होर. तो आई वाज लाइक वैश्या होर, आई वाज लाइक भाई तुम सोचो, तुमने इम्पल्शन में आके एक साइकिक रीडिंग बुक किया है, एंड वो साइकिक तुमको बोल रही है कि तुम होर हो पास्ट लाइफ में. I mean, I don't know what to react, and I was like sorry मेरे को बहुत हंसने को आता है, because I don't know, when I was taking a shower ना, मेरे को suddenly याद आया कि I had done this thing, and I remember when I told this to my mom, she actually beat the shit out of me. Okay, she was like, तेको ये सब करने कौन बोले, तेको लैपटॉप में इसलिए नहीं देती हूँ, तेको इंटरनेट कनेक्शन में इसलिए नहीं देती हूँ कि तू रैंडम लोगों से कनेक्ट करके ये सब बकचोदिया करे. But I was like, you know, that's me. But anyway, coming back to the story, I was very offended. Okay, like this woman has told me on my face that I was a whore in my past life. I was like, bro, what the fuck? I was like, आप वापस से check कर सकते हो क्या? Like, she was like, शांति, आपका अभी, like, I know you're offended right now, but I want you to hear me. I was like, okay, tell me what. And then she was like, Sonali, the thing is, you have hurted a lot of people by sexually manipulating them. भाई मैं तो ये लाइफ में किसी को sexually manipulate नहीं कर सकती, मैंने पास्ट में कैसे किया होगा? She was like, exactly, that's the point. Now you are on the other side of the coin. Okay, back then you used your beauty as a power to control people. That actually made me very happy. But I was officially that Bibo Jan of that time. You know, like I used to do that morning walk, dhinta ni dhane didadun, and I used to like attract men. Like that is so cool, because I never used that in this janam, you know. I used to just be like, oh, okay, this guy likes me, hey, nice. I could never seduce or attract people. So like that kind of made me very happy. But then she was like, you know, you use that to hurt people. People were hurt because of you. And you know, that's why in this life, to balance that, you're facing your karma. So basically my soul is very dramatic, and my soul kind of told this that okay Sonali, you had too much fun in your past life, too many lovers, too much seduction, sex, etc etc. So this life में थोड़ा वो balance करने के लिए you won't have too many lovers, and even the lovers you had, they will be emotionally unavailable men, just like how you were in the past life. So basically I was red flag all along. I don't know if I should be happy about it or sad, because I had no idea about this happening in my past life. So in this life, I was this goody two shoes, goody girl. So why am I facing karma of my past life? वही life में karma देके खत्म करो ना. Then she told me, beta, you have to do a ritual. I was like, what ritual? Like मेरी गांड फट गई. I was like, is she telling me to do काला जादू or like what? And then she was like, you have to do a ritual which will make you clean, like cleanse your womb energy, because my womb is polluted. I don't know. I think she meant that only. My womb was polluted in the past. उसका इससे क्या connection है भाई? But anyway, oh my god, I'm legit making a fool of myself by sharing this story, because none of my friends know this. Okay, only my mom knows, only my one friend knows, and oh my god, even he was laughing. He was like, भाई तू क्या करती है? देखो बांध के रखना चाहिए, because actually मुझे बांध के रखना चाहिए. मैं कुछ ना कुछ करती रहती हूँ. But anyway. She told me to cleanse your womb energy, you have to do a ritual. And it was so funny when she told me what the ritual is, because it reminded me of something Geet told Aditya in Jab We Met. She told me, जब फुल मून रहेगा यू हैव टू गो टू ओपन स्पेस एंड ओपन ग्राउंड और अ टेरेस और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सॉरी गाइस, माय कैमरा डाइड. इवन माय कैमरा वाज लाइक यार ये क्या बकचोदी करती रहती है लड़की, क्या पता. बट एनीवे, इट वाज बेसिकली दैट आई हैव टू राइट अ लेटर टू माय पास्ट सेल्फ सेइंग दैट यू नो व्हाट, आई अंडरस्टैंड यू वर प्रॉब्लमैटिक एंड यू नो you have done things to hurt people. Now please let that go and let me find love. That didn't even make sense. I mean, why am I telling my past version that let me find love? But whatever it was, I did that like an idiot. Oh my god, I really hope my friends are not watching this, because they will be like, Sonali, we no longer claim you, like you are no longer part of our circle. I really hope that doesn't happen, guys. Please, I'm still your Sonali, okay? So anyway, I did that, and I was like, has she like watched too many Bollywood movies? Because this is literally what Geet told Aditya in Jab We Met. But anyway, I did that, and then she said you have to do it in an open space under full moon or something like that, after 8 o'clock or something like that. And she said कि क्या वो ये करना है, सेज वेज लगाना है and all that stuff. I did that, and oh my god, I was really scared because I live in Mumbai, and I mean, if anybody sees me burning a letter on the terrace or something like that, they're legit gonna call cops on me, okay? But I still went to the terrace, I still did that, and I was like, you know what, goodbye past me, let me find my love. I don't know why I did that. Oh my god, like I'm weird, seriously. But anyway, I did that, and that apparently was supposed to cleanse my womb or something like that. So yeah, jokes aside, I still feel like, you know, I'm glad I did that psychic reading, because that made me realize how well I was and how stupid I was. But to be honest, I feel that psychic reading had 80% drama and 20% truth. I'll tell you why. Because I feel like I had two major relationships in my life, and yes, both of them were emotionally unavailable men. And apart from that, I did fear falling in love again, and I always used to feel like, you know, why me? Like मैं हमेशा भगवान को पूछती कि why me? You know, like in both of my relationships, I was so emotionally fucked up that I used to always ask Bhagwan ki मैं क्यों. So I used to always feel like, am I being punished for something? So I think कुछ सच्चाई होगी उसमें. अभी तुम लोग बोलते रहेंगे सोनाली क्या पागल है क्या, why are you believing that? But I always feel like कुछ ना कुछ तो सच्चाई हो सकता है. Maybe I was not a courtesan or veshya as she called me. Maybe I was just a cat, you know, who was having fun with other male cats like Javani, you know, all that. But anyway, I'm really glad that I did that, because I think I felt really good when I burned the letter. I mean, it's dramatic, it's filmy. I'm legit talking like Aditya ki paper burn करके flush करके बहुत अच्छा feel हो रहा है. But I did feel good. I'm not gonna lie. I did feel good, and I think I mean. Yeah, I mean, I did what I did. I really hope in future when my kids, if I have kids, I mean, when they come across such videos, they shouldn't be like, हम लोग की माँ क्या पगलेट थी, कुछ भी करती थी. I mean, is this woman real? Like, is this woman for real? Like, what is she doing? But yeah. I've chosen this life. I've chosen to make a fool of myself on the internet. तो अभी डरना क्या है ना? So what do we learn from my story? Okay, one, don't be Vella. Second, don't scroll Instagram at 3 a.m. in the night, and don't come across such ads. And even if you do, please do not book psychic appointments unless you are ready to be spiritually insulted, because I really thought I was a queen in my past life, you know, or some pirate or something like that, something powerful. But the way she kind of told me that, oh, you were powerful, but you were a powerful whore, sexually manipulating people, that, like, I'm telling you, जब वो चीज हुआ मेरे साथ, the next few weeks I was like, oh my god, like what, like I legit felt like, oh my god, like सच में ऐसा हो गया रहेगा, whatever it is. But anyway, that was that, you know. Let me know if you have ever done such kind of a kant in your life where you have booked a psychic appointment, or you know, a tarot reading or something like that. Let me know what they told you, like what you were in your past life, queen, king, chore, police, like what you were. So yeah. I can't believe I shared this, because I was just telling my mom that day. Like, my mom obviously got to know about it later, because I tell her everything. At least 80% of my life she knows, and she obviously gave me 2 झापड़. She was like, "तेरे को laptop देना नहीं चाहिए because तू कुछ भी करती रहती है." And I was like, "Yeah, that's true. You know, मुझे बांध के रखना चाहिए," as I told you all. But yeah, that was my story. Let me know if you have done some similar kind like that in the comments. You know, let us all kind of feel better about ourselves. कि thinking, yeah, मैं अकेला छूतिया नहीं हूँ, बाकी छूतिए भी हैं मेरे साथ. And yes, thank you so much for watching my miserable, funny, not so funny, can't wala video. And yes, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.